Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the weather widget from your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Regedit, Regedit. Best match should come back with Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, so double click on that. Do the same thing for the policies folder. And then there should be a Microsoft folder, double click on that. And then finally there should be a DSH folder under here. If you do not see one, as is the case in my situation as well, you're going to right click on the Microsoft folder, select new, and then select key. Name this key DSH, the D in DSH should be capital, and then hit enter. On the right side, now that we've selected over the DSH key, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value allow, news, and interest. And then you want to hit enter on your keyboard to save that. And now you want to double click on this D word value and you want to make sure the value is set to 0. If for some reason, if this was already in here, you just would go ahead and double click on that value and then you would set it to 0 as I just showed. So select OK. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to restart your computer. There you go, guys. The weather widget should be removed at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.